Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Amit Patel and you are watching the show Musings with Software Engineers. Will I need deep data structures and algorithm knowledge for startup internship? See, data structures knowledge is good for any programmer. So first comes the basic programming knowledge. Okay, your basic programming knowledge is very important. Whatever basic programming language you are learning, in that you should be good. So basic programming language, how to write any particular software application within that programming language is the basic programming language knowledge, which is very important. But with that, algorithm is just the sequential way in which you say, okay, after this I want to do this, after this I want to do this. So before you even write the code, you just think. It is just a thinking tool. Algorithm is just a thinking tool, that what is going to be the sequence of events, or the way you are going to write your function, or the way you are going to construct your classes and everything. So algorithm is a way to do that, correct? So this knowledge of algorithm is good. Data structures is a little bit detailed knowledge. Okay, it is a little bit advanced, and it is good to learn that, because if you want to really solve complex engineering problems, then data structure is very important. Also, what you will see is that a lot of companies have their interviews for freshers based on data structures. Okay, they will ask you about linked list, they will ask you about trees, they will ask you how do you traverse a tree, or what is the meaning of a graph. All these particular things they are going to ask you. Okay, so the knowledge of data structures is very important when you are looking for a job. And it is not so difficult also. If see any subject that you are feeling difficult because you are in first year, read it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times till it becomes easy for you. Okay, anything you want to learn, initially everything is going to be very messy. Okay, a lot of people think that within the first time I will learn everything. It never happens like that. Even when you are a kid, when you are maybe 1 year old or whatever, when you started walking, you must have fell down so many different times. Okay, after that slowly you understood what is balance, and then you started walking. And initially you were walking very slow. After maybe another 2 3 months or 6 months, now you started running fast. Okay, so there is always a progression. Even in your studies there is a progression. So don't keep on learning many things. Learn one thing so good that when you are giving interviews and all, people can see your expertise and people can hire you for that expertise. So if you learn Java programming and you learn data structures in Java, learn these things very well, so well that any question in this subject becomes easy for you to answer. Then it's not difficult to find any job. Thank you very much. Live starts every Thursday 9:05 p.m. Make sure you check out my program A Players. You can enroll into A Players. It will help. For experienced people, this is a must if you want to grow within your company. Next time, certainly I will take up your questions. Thank you very much.